The Illinois State of the 102nd General Assembly of the State of Illinois acknowledges Wescott Elementary in recognition of being named a 2022 National Blue Ribbon School by the U.S. Department of Education, and joins in the commemoration of the effort, dedication, and hard work of the administration, faculty, staff, and students and parents of Wescott Elementary School that led to receiving this honor, and further commends them for their continued commitment to education excellence.
This is a huge deal, and we get precious few opportunities to reflect on and appreciate all that we have. This is one of those times. Nominated schools must have excellence in the fields of academics, arts, and athletics. And we exist to create a community that craves learning, fosters resiliency, and cares deeply about every student. We accept responsibility for all of our students. And this award reflects Wescott and District 30's committed and talented educators, our incredibly supportive community, and hard-working students who invest in your education. We all do this together to make this a great place to grow up.
The Blue Ribbon Award recognizes our community's support to create rich learning environments that nurture our students' academic, physical, and social-emotional growth. Thank you to all who have been part of these efforts that make District 30 such a special place for our students and their families.
There's a special
I enjoy coming to school and seeing my friends and teachers all greet me with a warm smile. They all mean so much to me and make school so fun. The teachers here at Wescott also make learning so fun and easy for everyone, and always come up with fun activities throughout the day. School would have been so boring if we didn't have fun teachers like that.
The teachers are there to help everyone, from the kindergartners to the fifth graders, from the proud to the shy, from the athletes to the mathematicians. Teachers might just seem like normal adults with a normal job, but these humans are fantastical. They dedicate their lives to help children thrive on the road ahead.
Under this roof is a family that helps each other when in need. No matter what happens, we will stand by each other like the Wescott Wolf. Be safe, be caring, be here and ready. That's our motto you see in our home.
Everyone at Wescott respects diversity. We can all share the culture and traditions that we have. Our teachers include everyone's cultures by making sure that they are shared with one another. For example, not only do we celebrate common holidays, we celebrate and learn about holidays like Diwali, Rosh Hashanah, Yom Kippur, and more.
We students are very fortunate to be at Wescott School. We are very thankful and lucky to have extracurriculars, specials, and more. Overall, Wescott is such an amazing school, and we are so proud of getting a blue ribbon.
In 1957, who would have thought that thousands of students would be taught not only math, science, reading would fill their day, but that kindness and caring would also help pave their way. It does not matter what grade you are in, if you are a parent, a teacher, board member, or you work in admin. At Wescott School, we are part of a team. We put the we in Wescott, and I'll tell you why.
There is